Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. In today's video, we'll continue with spectral indices or using QGIS this time around. So the first spectral indices we'll be working with will be the NDVI. Let's get straight into it. So basically, NDVI measures vegetation greenness and photosynthetic vigor by constructing how strongly healthy plants reflect near infrared light against how much red light they absorb for photosynthesis. So basically, higher value signals denser and healthier canopy cover. So let's get straight into it. Okay, sorry, I forgot. So the bands we'll be using are the near infrared and the red, which will be our near infrared minus red all divided by near infrared plus red. For what we'll be using Landsat 8, and that will be band 5 minus 4 all divided by band 5 plus 4. So let's get straight into the video. So open my raster calculator. Raster calculator. Alright, so that's my bracket first. And 5 minus it's 4 now. And 5 minus band 4. Bracket close divided by related to and 5 plus and 4. Bracket close. So output layer, let's give it NDVI. Okay. Let me zoom to here. Yeah. So with this, we've been able to generate our NDVI. I'll just quickly change the symbology. Singleband Pseudocolor. Maybe green. Inverse it. Change the higher value. Okay. I think that was square before. So yeah, giving us the result of the higher values showing vegetation cover and the lower values showing us areas without vegetation. Hope you've been able to get something from this video. If you were able to, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and have a wonderful day. See you on the next one. And as always, happy mapping.